there are times na tatanungin ka nila and then you get to share your part as well. So, ang orientation namin guys is hulaan nyo kung ilang buwan. Yeah. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, BD here, and for today's video, pag-uusapan natin. Before we begin guys, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Pa-click na yung notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga bagong videos, and ma-share na rin yung video na to sa mga kilala mong nurses. Let's get into the video. So number 1, patient ratio 1:1. Compare mo sa ward 1:8, 1:4, 1:5. Sa OR 1:1. Next, we got designated breaks. So uninterrupted yung break namin. So in the morning may 20 minutes break kami, paid break yun, and then in the afternoon sa lunchtime meron kaming 30 minutes break, unpaid naman yun. Number 3, we got variety of shifts available. So we have 410s, 312s, and 58s. Pag sinabing 410s, that means 4 days ka, 10 hours, which is equivalent to 40 hours. And then we got 312s, 12 hours, 3 days, 36 hours ka lang. So kulang ka ng 4 hours, which is, if you don't mind doing 36 hours, it's fine. Pero iba kasi din ang effect pag 40 hours ka, kasi dito sa US, anything beyond 40 hours is overtime. And then we got 5/8. Mas maikli ang oras ng 5/8 kasi hanggang 3 PM ka lang. And then, but ang downside nito is everyday kang nasa hospital. And then number 4, we got no cap how much we make, kasi it all depends on how many calls we get bi-weekly or monthly. And then paid kami per hour habang nasa bahay kami, especially now on call ako from 5 PM till tomorrow morning ng 6 AM. So pag hindi ako natawagan tonight, it's fine kasi every hour is bayad ako. But if matawagan ako now, that's already times 1.5 kung magkano yung rate. Plus, may travel allowance pa yan na 1 hour, bayad yung 1 hour. By the way, halimbawa on-call ka ng weekend or on-call ka ng gabi, and then natawagan ka ng weekend tapos gabi, that's more money kasi may weekend differential, may night differential, and then yung rate mo is times 1.5. So malaki siya. But wag masyadong mag-overtime guys kasi si Uncle Sam ay kumakaway. Okay? Napupunta, minsan pag sobra-sobra yung oras mo or masyado kang nag-work, minsan napupunta na lang siya sa tax. So sometimes it's not worth it din na mag-sobra-sobra ka ng oras. Number 5, you can wear whatever you want to wear, basta decent lang siya. Especially, minsan pag tinatamad ako, I'm only wearing my pajamas papasok sa work. And it's okay kasi may scrubs na available sa work. And ang nakaganda doon guys is hindi mo siya kailangang iuwi kasi lalaban din nila. The next day you can wear a new pair of scrubs. Number 6 guys. Number 6 na reason is you get to know your doctors, especially kung long cases. And yung surgeon is masyadong makwento. Minsan nasi-share din nila yung life nila, and of course, there are times na tatanungin ka nila and then you get to share your part as well. Parang nasi-share mo na rin yung life mo. Minsan magtatanong sila, how was your life back home? Yun, parang minsan nagiging close na rin kayo, and lalo na pag matagal ka na dyan matagal ka na sa hospital na yan, and then araw-araw ka nang nakikita ng surgeon. Minsan nagiging na rin sila, magaan yung loob nila sa'yo. So yung pang 7 is got no weekends or holidays. Although minsan on-call ka ng holiday or weekend, pero it doesn't mean na every weekend, every holiday on-call ka. Minsan may designated team na magiging on-call ng weekend, and then may designated team din na magiging on-call ng holiday. So it's not always you na mag-work ng weekend, mag-work ng holidays. And then you don't need to look nice. Fix your hair nga minsan kasi ako pumapasok ako, minsan magulo yung buhok ko, and I don't mind kasi pagpasok ko ng OR, hindi naman na nila makikita yung buhok ko kasi naka-scrub cap ako. Depende yan sa hospital na pagtatrabaho mo. Minsan, naka-blue scrubs lang kayo or seal blue. Minsan naman naka-green. Depende yan. And then, kasi diba pag sa floor ka nag-work, nagiging fashionista ka kasi pwede kang bumili ng mga branded na mga scrubs, tapos different colors, and then different design, different cuts ng scrubs. So sa OR naman, since we are wearing the same color, the same style ng scrubs, bumabawi na lang kami sa scrub cap, guys. And pwede kami mag-customize ng mga caps namin for as long as dapat yung cap is maka-cover yung hair mo and hindi siya, hindi siya vulgar or may ibang mga drawings na parang masyadong offensive or may mga sulat na offensive. Ang isa pa sa kinaganda ng pag-work sa OR is no turning, no cleaning of poops. And kasi diba sa ward, kailangan yung mag-turn, kailangan yung maglinis ng puwet, ng mga tae, pasensya sa mga kumakain. And ang nakaganda pa sa OR is we have an extensive orientation. So ang orientation namin, guys, is hulaan nyo kung ilang buwan. Ang orientation namin dito sa US for OR is 6 months. Bakit? Ito based lang sa experience ko. 6 months, umabot siya ng 6 months kasi ang first 4 months mo is iikutin mo lahat ng specialty. So, pupunta ka ng ortho, pupunta ka ng neuro, cardiac, general, robots, basta lahat ng specialty. Tapos, at the end of your 4th month, guys, pipili ka kung anong service ang gusto mong maging part. Like, part ako ng cardiovascular team. So, yung additional 2 months doon sa 4 months ko is orientation din ng service na napili mo. Say, for example, sa cardiac or any specialties, kailangan mong mag-orient ng another 8 weeks. So, yung 8 weeks na yun is nakafocus ka na doon sa service na yun. And, ang nakaganda pa nun is may kasama ka pa rin. Alam mo yun, may kasama ka na same service kayo, mas ahead lang siya or mas familiar siya sa service and then i-orient ka niya. Although, nadaanan mo na yung service na yun, but sometimes kasi based on my experience, 1 week lang kaming umikot doon sa service na yun and then wala na. So, yun. And number 10, I hold a lot of pride sa trabaho ko as an OR nurse. I don't know, pero I love telling people na OR nurse ako and ganito yung trabaho ko. And so, nagtrabaho ko dati sa ward and na-experience ko siya sa OR kasi, guys, is overwhelming lang siya sa start. Pag nagtagal ka na sa OR, ewan ko, parang magiging komportable ka na lang and hindi mo na mamalayan na nagiging madali na lang sa'yo yung trabaho mo. Yun lang naman. If you have any questions, guys, please don't hesitate to comment it down below. Sasagutin ko as much as I can. Please consider subscribing na rin sa aking channel and please hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa aking mga bagong videos and pa-share and like na rin ang video na to. That's it, guys, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Paalam!
Yeah.